Hello, I'm Randy from Go Big Parts and Accessories. Welcome to the channel. Hey, it's almost Christmas time. I think we're about 4 days away. And today we're going to talk about food cookers. Here I got a SP1 Trail Chef, and we're going to go out to the garage and install one on my SKS. If you would like to get one for your sled, they're available on our website. GoBigParts.com. If you go to snowmobile products, accessories, and I believe it's under trips, emergency and safety, and then food preparation and storage, you'll find the Trail Chefs under there. Hey, I'm going to mount this muff pot. This is actually a open trail chef. Onto my SPI muffler somewhere in this area. I had it mounted under the hood, but the problem was every time I stopped, I had to remove the hood, which wasn't too bad. The reason I had it under there is I wanted it close to the engine, close to the Y pipe, thinking it would cook better with more heat. Well, it kept coming loose down there, and it came off, so we've tested them up here and they seem to cook just as well with just as much heat. So I'm going to show you how to mount open trail chef onto your, well, this happens to be an SPI straight line performance muffler, which when I installed that I lost about 9 to 10 pounds. So if you got a different brand, it would probably work just as well. And on the stock one, it might be more difficult to put there, but I know I've had them up on the pipe there and it seems to work. So let's get on with the install. Pretty simple. You just use a hose clamp, one of the worm gear style hose clamps. I went to the hardware store and bought a new one that was smaller than the one that came with it. Try it right about there and see if I can get it on and off. Actually looks pretty good. Let me see if the side panel will still close. Grab a flashlight in a minute, or actually I can use this. Oh wow, lots of room. Yeah, lots of room there. That looks like a good spot. So I'm going to try to tighten it right about there. Actually, take this back off. That's pretty solid. What I'll probably do is trim that up. Trim off the excess. Here we go. Now I'm just gonna put a wrench on, double check the tightness. Pretty tight. There it is. Perfect location. Double check the side panel. Perfect.